To register an account on the BBMRI ERIC Negotiator, the first step is to familiarize yourself with the Negotiator on our website. Next, select your identity provider. Search for your home institution. If you can't find it, try ORCID or create an account using Life Science Hostel. If you use Life Science Hostel, you'll receive an email to validate your account. Then follow the links and choose Life Science Hostel again when you return to the login page. After successful registration in Hostel, go again to the Purun BBMRI ERIC Add New Collections link and log in using Hostel. This is important since we actually need to register your Hostel account into the Negotiator. Then select BBMRI ERIC directory and register with a list of collection IDs you are representing. You should have received them via email. If not, please contact your national node. We will make you the administrator of the groups representing your collections so that you can add more people to act on your behalf. Once we approve your registration, you're almost ready to go. Now you can log in automatically to the Negotiator by clicking Login. You will come to a landing page where you can view all requests. To find out more about how to use the Negotiator to streamline your sample requests, view our related video. We have a team across Europe that's ready to assist you with any and all questions. Just write to negotiator@helpdesk.bbmri-eric.eu, and we hope you benefit from this service.